Having a sunken chest sucks. I used to hate my body so much. I dreaded taking off my shirt. But when I fixed my pectus, my life changed. The first time I could take off my shirt without crippling anxiety was such a liberating feeling. I felt amazing. And now I've dedicated the last decade of my life to helping thousands of others with Pectus Excavatum overcome their pectus as well. So if you have pectus and you want to feel confident in your body, then I have the perfect solution for you. The 2025 Pectus Transformation Challenge. The challenge will be everything you need to overcome your pectus without surgery, including workout routines fitted to you, targeting key muscles to make the most fast-paced change to the pectus appearance. Stretching regimes to open pectus posture, which will make you feel better and make your pectus immediately look better. Nutrition programming to help you build a lean, muscular, ripped physique that will disguise from the deformity. And a community of other pectus warriors on the same journey as you. You'll follow the workouts and the programs in my app with videos of me doing everything, showing you how to do it properly for pectus. This challenge will truly be everything you need and will truly guide you to finally build a body that you are confident in. Applications for the challenge are open right now, but spots are limited. So if you want to overcome your pectus in 2025, then apply now. The first step will be to go to my website, then book a strategy call with me so I can meet you to then discuss and evaluate your pectus and determine the appropriate program and strategy for you to overcome it. Because no pectus is the same, so it's very important the program is fitted to you and your pectus. And then on the call, I'll also discuss the pricing options. There will be different packages to go for to cater for different budgets. The call does cost $49, but it is credited towards my coaching. And then on the call, we will discuss the different options you have for the challenge. So if you want to get in, be quick, because I am limited to the amount of clients I can coach. Go to my website, book a call. I look forward to meeting you soon and having you on board as a client in 2025 with the Pectus Transformation Challenge.
So I signed up for the PectusPT program after turning 40. After a lifetime of going to the gym myself, randomly lifting weights with absolutely no results, I'd kind of got to a point in my life where I'd given up and I'd become used to having a body that I wasn't proud of at all. I'm now in month 5 and I'm really enjoying the program, but I'm learning new things all the time in terms of how to make my pectus look much better. And I started getting results at around week 6. I think as soon as you start getting results, it really prompts you to keep going. The way you feel after the workouts is amazing, but nothing beats looking at before and after pictures of you and seeing the change that is happening. My confidence has grown a lot and I'm loving the results that I'm getting so far, and I can't wait to see how my body looks at the end of the program. So thank you so much, Riley, for the program you've designed.
My name's Adam. I'm 23 years old. I started the Pectus Challenge January of 2023, and it's been a great journey. I've greatly improved my pectus condition, gained a lot of muscle in my chest, shoulders, arms. The pectus doesn't bother me anymore. I've gained a lot of muscle around those areas, and I'm now very proud of my physique that I've worked hard for. And having the program with Riley on it, I can message him about anything. He's super helpful, always responds pretty much right away. And having him tailor the workouts to my needs and my body types, and it's worked for me. It's greatly improved my body, physique to a whole new level. I have a lot more confidence now. Pectus doesn't bother him anymore. If you guys are thinking about joining, I'd recommend you do it. I joined and it worked.
Hi, my name's Matthew. I'm 43. I'm from the UK and I've been on the program for about a year now. I've got a more severe case of pectus and it's really affected me throughout my life. Probably been really anxious about my pectus since I was about the age of 13. Programs are brilliant, focusing on my pectus, but also on all aspects of my body as well. It really helped me with my form. I send in videos and I send things back with some advice on how to do things properly straight away, so it's really good. He's also helped me a lot with my nutrition. While the program had a bit of a dad bod going on, so he's helped me work out what calories I should be eating the right foods. It's really helped me to lean out and get a more aesthetic look on my abs, which is something that I really wanted because I hated the way that I had a pot belly, so that's been really good for me. The stretching has really helped me correct my posture. My posture is so much better than it was before. I'd recommend it to anybody.
Hey, my name is Isaac. I started off with Riley's program last year in October. When I started, I was really thin. My pectus was really severe, and now it has changed completely. I have gone up almost 2 sizes in t-shirts and sweaters. My weight is completely different, and my muscles, I get so much compliments from friends, family, on my arms, on my chest, on how I changed this year, and I'm so grateful for this. It's the best decision I have ever made. Just want to keep going now. I have so much motivation to just keep the ball rolling, and I'm also starting on the waking bell now, so my motivation has never been better.
I've been using Riley's program for over a year now, and the program has just been amazing. The app is very simple to use. I'm able to watch videos on every exercise in my workout, easily track my stats, and upload videos to Riley so he can critique my form. And Riley has just been awesome. His comments are so motivating, and it helps me stay consistent in my workouts. My transformation has given me the self-confidence to be able to take my shirt off and feel good about myself. It takes a lot of hard work, but the results are unbelievable.
Hey, I'm Corbin. I'm 19, been on the program for almost a year now, part of the 2023 challenge, and I've loved the whole journey from start to, I guess, finish, even though I guess my personal journey isn't finished. I can't really explain what the transformation means to me other than, I guess, it's just been this huge confidence booster. I went from wearing hoodies and oversized t-shirts and scared to take my shirt off to wearing tank tops pretty much whenever I can. I've loved every part of the program, even on days where I didn't feel like doing anything. I felt exhausted, sore. I was like, I gotta keep going, gotta stick with it, and I'm glad I did. Super happy with the results so far, and I can't wait to see what next year's results are gonna be. Thanks, Riley.
Hi, I'm Michael DeVito. I'm more confident. Physical activity is easier. I definitely recommend Riley's program. Do it, you'll see the results.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Bo, and I was on Riley's PectusPT program from December 2022 to December 2023. And I'd say when I started the program, physically, I was had a lumpy, skinny, fat guy body. After 1 year, I'm a lot leaner. I've lost 20 pounds, have more definition, especially my torso. That was one that I really struggled with before. Very satisfying to see that, and just a huge confidence booster. I feel like things like the yoga really help, where they get you kind of centered on your breathing and your movements and your posture and how you carry yourself. Those are just some of the things I've noticed and that I've come away with, and very appreciative of it. So thank you, Riley. It's a great program, well designed, can't recommend it enough. So thank you.